Oh my god, it's a disaster in here. Oh well, no time to fix it.
Hello?
Oh, hi, how can I help you?
Hi, you're releasing Lightning Rider today, right?
Yeah, but not for another 4 hours.
Okay, good. So, I'm the first in line, right? I get a copy?
Sorry, no, that's not how it works here. Everybody gets a ticket, and we call out the first 50 people, and they get a copy. It's, more fair that way.
What? I ran all the way here for nothing?
Yeah, it appears so, but hey, stick around, you might win. All right, folks, and the last copy of Lightning Rider goes to ticket number 243.